Hi everybody, this is Bonnie and I'm just coming to you with this cute little box. It's going to be week 1 of the 10 weeks of Halloween, and I'm showing you 2 stamp sets here that we're going to be using, and we're going to be using the Dress to Impress little gift bag out of there to make this cute little box. And I'm just die cutting them out real quickly. The paper size is 11 by 6. And then I'm showing you that you have to score on all the score lines. And the paper, if I didn't tell you, is Blackberry Bliss. And so here we are. We're scoring on all the score lines. I'm not sure why my music was over top of the video, but I will make sure I don't have that happen in the future. So here in a few minutes, the regular voice of the video will come back in and will tell you step by step what's going on. I'm not really sure why this happened. I know the one stamp set we used was Festive Corners and Have a Who were the 2 stamp sets that we used in this. And here I'm just using the Stampin' Seal Plus. Just gonna wanna put this right down the middle, and if it goes off a little bit, just roll it over. And then you're gonna line the end of this up right here with the top of that. So kind of those 3 dots line up with those 3 dots. So it's like that, okay? And now we're going to do the same thing to this side. Okay, and then we're just going to bring this around, and we're going to line this right up with the fold. You don't want it to go over the fold. So it's kind of like this. Reach your hands in there and kind of pinch it together like that. So now we have it. It's going together here just like the first so far. Then we're going to put
regular voice of the
this side down, and we're going to just pick
and we'll tell you
a label
step
here.
Step
we're just
going
to run
on.
it across.
I'm not really sure why this happened. I know the one stamp set we used was Festive Corners
and we're going to pinch these in.
Were the 2 stamp
pinch
sets
them in
that
just
we
like
used,
that. I'm going to bring the crocodile over.
And here I'm just using the
and I'm
Stampin' Seal Plus. Or you could
because
use
I'm going through a few layers
tape.
here. And I'm just going to punch 2 holes. I'm eyeballing this. I'm not making it like perfect or anything. Here, so I got some Starburst you could put in there. You could put a little gummy thing down in there. I think you could probably fit this down in there maybe too. You push it down there and, well, let's see. Yeah, could fit it in there. You have to finagle it just a little bit more. I got this one. There we go. I had that one piece of candy in the way. So there, you could fit quite a bit of candy in there for a trick-or-treater or somebody. Or you could just put that, and that's good. So, put chocolate in there. So I fit all that candy in this little box. So that's pretty good. Now I'm not going to leave my candy because these are just going to be my samples. So I'm not going to leave my candy in there. I got some black ribbon. Let me get my ribbon scissors. And I'm just cutting a really long, fine point on the ribbon. Kind of like that. So that it'll fit through my holes. So I'm going to squeeze this together, and I'm going to go in this hole like that, and then I'm going to go through this hole in the back and pull it out the front here. So now I'm just fixing my ribbon so that it's not crooked in the back. I made it nice and flat. And now I'm going to go and I'm just going to tie a knot. I'm not a big bow. I don't make bows very well, so I'm tying a knot. And I could trim this now because I trim it down. Okay, I'm going to tie a knot. There we go. Now I got it. Okay, and then I'm just going to trim it. Okay, so I'm trimming that. So now I just got that. So now we're going to do some stamping. So here I have a piece of Whisper White that is 2.5 by 2 inches, piece of Whisper White. And I said we're going to use these 2 stamps. We're going to use this one corner stamp that says Trick or Treat and Happy Halloween out of this one. And I'm going to get a block to put this on, and I just kind of place it in the corner like this. And then the other one we need is the Halloween, the little, with the little spider coming down it. And we'll put him there. So we're going to get out the black Memento ink. I'll set him over there. And then I am going to stamp this up. A little closer to me, and I'm going to go all the way to the top that I can and all the way over that I can. There we go, just like that. And then the next thing, I'm going to take the Memento ink again. I'm going to stamp up my owl, and I'm going to stamp this one right here. Just like that. And now I'm going to color this in. So I took the blend. I used the dark basic black blend, and I'm coloring the tree. Then I'm going to take the basic black light, and I am going to color in the spider, because I wanted the spider just a little bit lighter. Okay. Now for the owl, I took gray granite, light and dark. First I take the light and I color all over the owl. Okay. Then I'm going to take the dark and I'm just kind of like outlining him. Okay. Then I'm going to go back with the light and I'm going to blend all that in. Pumpkin Pie Dark, and I should have zoomed in so you guys could have saw me. I didn't even think about it. I'm sorry. Let me see if I can get you a little bit now that we're almost done coloring, but well, you could see it a little bit. And then I did his little things. I'll pick it up and show it to you. Ain't he cute? Give my camera a minute to focus. There he is. So let me zoom you back out. I know it's a little late, but I'll make sure I remember next time. Then I took my black sponge and some Memento black ink, and I wanted this to look a little bit spookier, so I kind of sponged this a little bit to give it that more like, woo, spooky look. And you could sponge this too if you wanted to. Just give it a little sponge around here, dip it in. It shows a very faint. It's not real, doesn't show it a lot. Okay. And then we're going to stick this on here, but I'm going to use some pop dots for that, or Stampin' Dimensionals. Okay, I got a bunch of leftovers here, so I think I'm going to use them. And there we go. And these are our 2 projects that I made for the first week of 10 weeks of Halloween. And I really appreciate your support and everything. If you could give me the likes, thumbs up, subscribe, share. And this is my hostess code for the month of August. So thanks for stopping by, everybody. Bye-bye.